Hi there. Welcome to Puerto Vallarta. I'm Gary Shirk. Let's go check out some properties. So here we are in the beautiful resort town of Buscas on the Riviera Nayarit. We're going to take a look at a new development project here called Acompáñanos, and we're going to focus on one of the penthouses. This penthouse lists at about $376,000 US. It's 1,500 square feet, and it has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. There's also a really unique feature about this penthouse. It has 2 levels, where the second level is your own private rooftop terrace. Come on, let's check it out.
I am Nancy Valiente. Today I'm gonna take you to see Villa Buenos Vientos. This is Villa Buenos Vientos, located in Nuevo Vallarta. We are in the main canal in Nuevo Vallarta. This villa has 5 bedrooms with 5 bathrooms with 590 square meters construction. The price is $1,999,000. Welcome.
Hello, I'm Carla Jacinto, and right now we're going to Casa Cielo. We're going to drive all across the bay to one of the most desirable areas in Puerto Vallarta, Amapas. Let's go. Welcome home, welcome to Casa Cielo. This beautiful townhouse has 5 stories and is located just a couple minutes away from downtown. It has 5 well-appointed bedrooms, 5 full baths, and 2 half baths. It also has its own private elevator. It's currently listed at $1.5 million. Please take a look and enjoy the breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean.